Hey, this is Mrs. Becky again, and I'm going to show you a really short, quick video on how to do IXL Section B pre-calc, which is just adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing with imaginary or complex numbers. So it's in the form of A plus BI, where A, the first number here, is your real number, and the second one with the I is your imaginary number. But I'm going to be showing you how to do it on the TI 84 Plus calculator, which you need to know how to use if you're going to use it, because that's the one that you can use on your ACT or SAT. You can't use your phone or any other computer program. So the first one that we're going to do is this division problem here, and it's a 4i divided by 5i. So let me switch over to my calculator. All right, here we are on the calculator, the simulator. Again, if it doesn't fit to the screen, you have to close out some ads and stuff. And then if it doesn't, you're not seeing all of it, you can just zoom out that. Now, it always starts again, it starts in radians. And so if it's in radians, you're going to get strange answers. So we'll go over here and we'll put that in degree. And then we do second quit to get out of it. Now, our first problem that we had was 4i. So we just go over here to 4. And then let's see, where do we put our I? Pretty sure it's down here. Okay, let's see. Well, actually, let's back up. Let's clear that out. Because it's a division problem, I'm going to go ahead and make it easy and bring up a fraction box. So we do alpha y, and I bring up this first way that they have that, like that. So it is 4, or 4i. So 4 second, I believe it's this one. Yeah, that gives us our I. We go down, it's divided by 5 second, take the I, and you can go over if you want to, but just hit enter, and it's bringing it up in this form of a complex number. So it's 4/5 plus 0i. And that IXL wants it. Let me look here real fast. Let's look at our mode. And we can go down here to see real numbers. We could change the mode over here, but I don't think. All right. What? Let's go back to this screen. See, our next one is going to be this one right here. 1 divided by negative 4i. Back over here, bring up our fraction box, alpha y, that one. And it's 1 in the numerator, down. Now, here's the tricky part. It's a negative 5. So if the number in a line of numbers is negative, calculator wants this negative sign right here. Okay, you can't put subtract. So it's negative 5. Now for minus, we'll use this one. So if it's the second one in a line of things, calculator wants this one. Minus 3. And we want to second I, enter. And this is what it's given us. I'm not sure if that would, I need to go look up some of these on IXL, but see if that's how they want it. So that's your real portion, that's your imaginary portion there. So let's do this. You can scroll back up and grab that problem. So if you don't want to keep bringing up a fraction box, let me show you what would happen. Oops, there, there. If I change this, this negative to minus like that, push enter. See, it doesn't like that. It's going to give you an error. So if you hit enter, it's going to quit. But if you go down to go to enter, it's going to highlight what your problem is. See, it's showing you, I don't like that minus. It has to be a negative. Just fix that, and then it's happy again. Bring up our next one. Next one is this one right here. We're going to multiply by some. So we go back to our calculator. Right, so we're going to do parenthesis 2. We're going to use this one because it's not the first negative sign in a line of numbers. I, it's going to be second, that one. Is that right? Am I doing the right one? Hang on. Okay. Right, parenthesis, close the parenthesis. Now I do another parenthesis for multiplication. Negative, it's the first sign in that parenthesis. Negative 2 plus 5 second I, parenthesis, enter. There's your answer for that one. All right, let's see what our next one is. It's another division. We'll do this one. Okay, bring up calculator. So it's a fraction again. So I can go ahead and do this alpha thing if I want to, but I can also back up there, grab that fraction. And so sometimes it saves time. So if I back up, just change. Wait a second here. Let me see if did I already do that one? I already did that one. Okay, so never mind. We'll do this one. That one right there. Okay. Anyway, wait. Right there. So I'm just going to clear that out. Clear. Clear. I could hit delete. I think it would have got rid of that. So that one is negative 2. Again, it's the first number. So negative 2 I minus. It's not the first in the string of numbers. So we do the minus 5 second I. Enter. There you go. That's about all I have to say about that. So I hope you guys got that. And that's all for now. See ya.